At least for now, it looks like Yamaha has done enough to prove to Fabio Quatararo that they are moving in the right direction, since he has extended his contract for the years 2025 and 2026. Obviously, being a world championship winner only a couple years ago, and then the generation of the V4 has come around, and a little bit of Ducati dominance, let's say that. It looked pretty, I don't know, not good, disappointing, or like you could have honestly thought that he would move on to a different team, a different bike, a different engine platform. But I don't know. As far as I've seen, though, let's be honest about this, and correct me if I'm wrong. If you've seen something else, I, the only thing I've seen for money wise was a contract, at least supposedly, for 12 million pounds, dollars, whatever it is, 12 million, some form of currency a year. Which the other one I saw was, I think it was Aprilia. Correct me if I'm wrong again, but it was like 4 million. So obviously money talks. Like if you're going to make $8 million more a year, yes, obviously you want to be winning. You want to be up front. You want to be chasing the championship over and over again. But with one in the bag already, at this point, $8 million a year for a couple years is a pretty good little, I don't know, side piece, or compensation for it. Because let's say next year in 26, he's still going to be pretty young. He's still going to be competitive and probably pretty well sought after. And if the next 2 years don't go well for Yamaha, or go well for him on the Yamaha, I'm assuming he can still go to a different team, get probably a pretty good chunk of money again, and be on a different platform. Personally, I hope he stays because, as I am very biased to the blue, I'd like to see Yamaha, turn this around and be competing for a championship again. I don't know. It's one of those funny things that, like, you win one year, I mean, 2021, so really 3 years ago, and then last couple years have just not been good, let's be honest. It's the V4 just has so much power, and it's kind of sad to see that if you're in MotoGP, you've got to run a V4 basically. You've got Ducati, KTM, and Aprilia running up front, and they all have basically the same engine package, where you have Suzuki gone. They ran a inline four, Yamaha, and then Honda running up the back. It sucks. It does suck to see, but hopefully they can, push as much power out of that bike as they possibly can, and still keep the attributes that make it, or made it, a championship winning bike. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you excited about this? Do you like MotoGP? Are you more of an off-road racing fan or something else? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.